Hi everyone, welcome back to The Knot. I'm Joanna Krupnick, owner and head calligrapher at Order She Wrote. In this video, we'll break down the timeline of sending thank you notes and answering your most pressing questions. Let's get started. When should you order thank you notes? It's usually best to order your thank you notes with your invitations. That way you don't have to worry about your suite running out of stock. If you'd like to include a picture from your wedding on the thank you note, it's best to order as soon as you have a photo picked out. When should you send thank you notes? When you send a thank you note depends on when you receive gifts. If you receive gifts before the wedding, it's courteous to send a thank you note immediately, at the latest 2 weeks after you receive the gift. For guests who gifted on the day of the wedding, you have up until 1 month after you return from your honeymoon. Guests also have the option of waiting until after the wedding to send a gift, in which case you would send a thank you note as soon as you receive those gifts. How should you write a thank you note? Thank you notes should always be handwritten. To email or even type a thank you note can be seen by the guest as impersonal or even rude. It's best to show your appreciation for their gift and support with a personalized, handwritten message. What should you include in the thank you note? The main elements of a good thank you note are expressing gratitude for the specific gift you received, or in the case of gifted money, how you plan on using that money. Also remember to thank the recipient for all of their gifts in the case that they also attended the engagement party, wedding shower, or batch party. Thank you notes do not have to be long, but should be personalized. Who should get a thank you note? Everyone who attended your wedding should get a thank you note, even if they did not leave a gift. It's still important to thank your guests for their time and support in attending your wedding. Thanks very much for watching. For more calligraphy inspiration, please check out my website in the links below. And make sure to subscribe to The Knot for more wedding planning videos. See you next time.